So what I got here is the Panasonic Lumix, and it is the DMC G85. So this is an 8-year-old, 9-year-old camera. So it came out in 2016, but it's still one of the more affordable DSLRs out there that does 4K. So I'm going to unbox this just in case somebody now is actually interested in it. So let me go ahead and go around the box. So you could see it is 4K. It's a micro 4/3 form factor, 4K videos, Panasonic Lumix, and this has been very highly rated. Let's see, anything else? It's just one set. This particular one comes with the lens kit. So let me go ahead now and just unbox it. So I got this fresh from a Adorama camera kit over basically Thanksgiving. So these are just the other accessories that would come with it. So you could see a battery grip pack at the bottom, microphone, flash, more batteries. So I did have another video on the accessories, so I'll have that in the comment area, and you could look at that. I went through all the accessories that come with the Adorama camera kit. So here's a bunch of manuals. So, and this camera kit also came with a bunch of software, so that comes in pretty handy. Everything that you do is going to have to be edited in some form to be digestible, lots of times on the internet. So just show you how thick the manual is. Not sure I'm going to ever read any of that, but folding this out, let's see what's inside here. So here's the camera. So this is a Minis 4/3. It's camera kit with the lens kit, I mean. So this is the camera itself. Set this aside, I imagine. Set this aside right here. Just giving you a deeper look into the box here. So there is this strap, shoulder strap, the lens itself. So this is kind of like the lens cap. Lens, I think it's like a glare blocker sort of thing. Set this aside. Here's the lens itself. So just to go around. Now if you get the camera by itself, this lens is another $150 or so. So I just chose to just get it with the lens kit. And just going around just so you could get a better look. All right, put this aside, and let's see what we got here with the other accessories. So this is a USB connector. So this is a micro USB cord. Micro USB on one side, on one end, and a USB-A on the other. And then this is just an electrical outlet. And I guess these are the batteries. So there's one battery, official Lumix Panasonic battery. And then this is the charger. So I'll give you a closer look at the charger. So it only has one indicator here. It's not a metered indicator. So the camera kit or the suite of other accessories that I got this with under Adorama, if you want to check out that video, has a charger that does have a digital indicator of the percentage that's charged. So whether it's 80% charged or 90% charged, it has an LCD. This one only has a lighting indicator. And that's really it. So that's it. Nothing else. And so all in all, this is what comes in the kit. The camera, the strap, this charger, the battery charger itself, the charging cord, battery, and the lens. And let me go through anything else. Let me go through this here. So this particular charger is a micro USB charger, and it doesn't have anything, so it doesn't have anything that flips out where you could just plug it directly in to the outlet, which would have been handy. You actually do have to plug it into a USB. Oh, that was bad. Wrong. All right there. Well, that's it, I guess. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please ask in the comment area, and I'll reply. Please subscribe to this channel, and thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.